Welcome back, folks, to the DUI channel. We are in Harvard, Illinois, where on April 19th, 2020 at 3:26 p.m., Harvard police were dispatched to 703 South Eastman Street to an alleged accident with injuries. As police arrived, they found a man with slurred speech behind the wheel of a vehicle as their investigation begins.
Well, you ran into a parked vehicle, so I'm trying to figure out what did you...
31, 21, and 22, checking your status.
Did you black out, or, I mean, what happened?
Yeah, I did.
You did black out?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Alright, well, they're gonna talk to you and just get some stats from you, okay? They want to check you out, because this isn't normal. And you seem very lethargic and slow right now. So I got to figure out what's going on with you. You're telling me that you weren't drinking, you didn't take it, you're not on any medication?
Yeah, is it one of your cars he hit, or?
We think he might have just bumped this one. I don't see any damage.
We heard like a bump sound when we were in our living room, so we looked out the window and he was right, like the truck looked like it was lined up with the...
Okay, but no damage to it?
No.
Yeah.
Well, he's my friend's dad. He's been actually staying over here. My main concern is I know he's had like cardiac issues, so I don't know if he blacked out or if there's something else going on. So we just want to make sure he's okay.
Any medical issues? Yeah.
Alright, so you were just inside watching?
Yeah, we were playing video games at the time, and then we heard the sound in our driveway, and I looked out, and there he was. So we weren't sure if he was turning around, but...
I'm getting a valid registration to a black 2007 Dodge pickup to a Kevin out of Poplar Grove. The 27 files attached, he's valid.
10-4. You don't feel dizzy right now, do you?
Yeah.
You feeling dizzy?
Yeah.
Okay.
One second, we're gonna get the stretcher in here, okay?
I got him. You want to help them?
They got it coming. There's more of them. Alright, hold up. Alright, we got the stretcher right here, okay? So we'll have you sit down on it, okay? Is that family over there? Alright, you want to have a seat right there, man? Have a seat right here, okay?
Yeah.
Couple steps over,
No.
okay?
They said he lives next door, or down, he's living with some friend on the road here, and they think maybe he thought he was at he was at their house, and
His daughters, they were living in Canada, his daughters kicked him out.
You just feel like you're going to fall over, so very good here. I'm going to help you with your legs, okay? This way.
what do you, I mean, they said there's no damage, there's no 1050 needed. What do you want us to do?
No.
No, he doesn't live here, he just...
He doesn't know them at all or anything, so...
I was thinking that.
He stays, I live next door, he stays with me.
Okay.
But I think I want my garage door open in case you're taking this truck away. I don't want to lose my...
I said that when I walked up. Oh, yeah, I'll get it.
You want to hand it down to me? Because I don't know what to do with that truck.
Yeah, how long has he been living with you for?
Last several months.
Last several months, okay.
Yeah, when I walked up, I said that. Just look at his eyes, he's hammered. You just don't listen to me anymore. You
I'll listen to you.
just had a whole conversation with you. No?
That's what I do.
Well,
no drinking, no drugs that I know of, but I don't, I mean...
No, here.
Nick?
Here. Hey.
Nick?
Thank you.
Hey, pretty good chances. Getting cold out here.
What is in that bottle? Is it a booze or something?
2 empty bottles of vodka.
That's empty.
The suspect was transported to Mercy Harvard Health Clinic for a medical evaluation. The officers on scene inventorying his vehicle before a tow truck arrived found 2 empty containers of Skull vodka. At the hospital, the officer read the Illinois warning to motorists to the suspect, letting him know that his license was now suspended.
Hey Kevin, you awake? Kevin, you awake? I gotta read you some paperwork. Kevin, listen, I'm going to read this to you. Subsequent to an arrest for driving while under the influence of alcohol or other drugs or intoxicant compounds, or any combination thereof. Kevin, do you want to do a blood test?
The following day, the officer again met with Kevin to sign the bond sheet and discuss with him further what had happened the previous day.
Can you tell me what room a fine gentleman's in?
Tina, who is 108?
Kevin?
Yeah, 108.
108?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Kevin, how you doing? I just got some paperwork to give you. I left you a bunch of paperwork yesterday, too. What's that?
I messed up, didn't I?
It's alright, it happens. Oh, it shouldn't happen, but nobody's perfect either.
You know, I mean, 15 years old, first time getting in trouble, you know, to have a bad day.
Yeah.
Everything's building up on me.
I get it. I get it, man.
It sucks.
It's crazy right now, you know?
Yeah.
You just go out and just party too much, or what?
No, I brought the bottles home, sat in the garage,
Okay.
and drank.
Oh, and then got back in the car afterwards?
Yeah, I sat in the garage drinking it.
Got it.
And then I guess I pulled around to the neighbor's house there and bumped her car, and I don't know what happened after that.
Okay.
I mean, it wasn't like I was driving down the main street or anything. It happened somewhere else, but
Okay.
all I know is I got out and drove to their driveway.
Alright. I just got some stuff. I'll leave it on this table for you. These 3 things here all together, you don't have to get up.
Yeah, well,
Nothing's that important.
well, it wasn't.
These 3 things here are all for the accident. Just statistical data only. Just if you want to fill it out and send it in, your version of it.
Okay.
Um,
She said she wasn't going to press charges or anything like that.
Yeah, no. This is just because there was an accident.
Okay.
So she's got one too. I went and dropped one off over there. That's how I knew you were still here, because I thought you were home already.
All right. Yeah, I don't know why they're keeping me in here. You know. And then what else do I got?
This one here's a citation for no insurance.
I have insurance.
Okay. Well, we didn't see it when we went through the car.
It's in that. Rossman lifted up the paperwork's are in there.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't see it last night through the
okay.
car.
Yeah,
so all you got to do is there's a court date on here.
All right.
June 3rd at 1:30 at McHenry County.
Okay.
Just go and show them the insurance card, and they'll just take care of it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's no big deal.
All right.
This one here, just have you sign. It's for, obviously didn't post any bond yesterday. You came here, so we didn't take it down to the station, process you.
Right.
This one here just says that you're out on an NTA notice to appear, and that you know you have court on the 3rd of June at 1:30.
Okay. So, am I going to jail now after I get out of here?
No.
Oh.
No, this is a notice to appear.
Okay.
It says you don't have to come down to the police department. You're
Right.
not going to jail. You just have.
All right.
Oh, that bottom line there by the X. That's right. Yeah, it says you're not going to jail. It just says
All right.
that you have to make sure you go to court, though.
Yeah, I got court in Boone County too.
And one right there. What do you got court in Boone County for?
Well, long story, a false story. Girl said I molested her.
Yeah, that'll get you to court.
Yeah, lies. She pulled that on two different other people.
Okay.
She can't live with her mom or anything like that because her boyfriends supposedly did it to her too, and didn't touch that girl.
In regards to this case, Kevin was found guilty of aggravated criminal sexual abuse to a victim less than 13 years old on October 30th, 2020. He was ordered to pay a total of $4,014. This amount has been paid in full. He was sentenced to 128 days in jail with 64 days credit time served, 4 years on probation, and ordered to participate in alcohol treatment.
But because of the circumstances, that's why the admin was placed.
All right. Am I signing this too?
Nope, that's your copy. I'm going to see if I can get a cap. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
I'm just going to see if I can get them to make a copy of this real quick so I can leave you one.
All right.
Did you have a question?
Yeah, am I being charged for a DUI?
Yeah, so yesterday the paperwork I left you yesterday was for driving under the influence, the accident, the ticket for the accident, and then for the open bottles in the vehicle.
So, did you guys actually pull me over?
Did we pull you over?
Yeah, I mean,
No, we responded to the accident.
Okay, because I was in the vehicle at the time.
Correct. So they called because you hit their car,
Okay.
and then when we got there, you were intoxicated. You were in control of the vehicle, so it becomes a DUI.
Oh. Okay. So what do I do about all that?
You've got court on the 3rd of June for all that.
For all of it?
Mm-hmm. You can. I can't give you legal advice. If you want to get an attorney, they can. All I can tell you is that you've got.
I can't afford one. I got a public defender in Boone County.
Yeah. So all I can tell you is that you have court in the 3rd at 1:30
Okay.
for all four
For all
citations.
four.
Yep. Tried to make it easy for you, so you only had to go once.
Yeah.
And then if you want to contest this, the 4th of June, the next day.
No. They can have it's up for repo anyways. Got a title loan on it. You know, the kid wanted me to get, because they were getting behind the bills, and they were going to help me pay it back.
Didn't help you pay
They
it
didn't
back.
help me pay it
Yeah.
back. So, title loan place wants the truck.
Got it. Yeah, if you want to call the Cranes when you get out here and let them know what's going on.
All right.
All right, let's see if
And
I
then I owe
can.
you $500
You don't know, that would be for the city.
for the city.
Yeah. So let me see if I can get you a copy of this. I'll be right back.
All right.
Kevin, here's a copy for
All
you.
right, buddy.
That's just a copy of that document that you signed.
Sorry about all this, you guys.
That's-
You know,
Like I said, man, it happens. It's not a reoccurring event, so
yeah.
if it was, then
Yeah,
you know.
it's the first time.
And they know that. I mean, if you look at the sentencing docs that I gave you, first-time offenses
Yeah.
are not obviously second, third, and so
Right,
on are
right,
worse.
right.
So,
But I do need to drive again now.
well, that would be things that you can, if you wanted to get a public defender or an attorney, you could talk to at that court date. So,
All right, buddy.
all right. Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Although the suspect technically refused to sign the Illinois Warning to Motorists form and give consent to have his blood chemically tested for intoxicants, the hospital staff informed the officer that the suspect's blood alcohol level was 0.42%. This is over 5 times the legal blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% to operate a vehicle in the state of Illinois. Kevin was subsequently charged with 4 different offenses and 2 misdemeanors, including driving under the influence of alcohol, or DUI. While the first DUI charge was disposed as nolle prosequi, which means that the prosecution chose to no longer pursue the case, the defendant negotiated a plea deal with the court and was found guilty of the second charge of DUI. He was ordered to pay $2,956.30. As of March 30th, 2023, the defendant owes $2,806.30. He was sentenced to conditional discharge of 18 months, 240 hours of public service, ordered to attend DUI school, and participate in a victim impact panel. The defendant did not receive jail time in his sentencing. Of note, on July 31st, 2020, the ownership of Kevin's truck was transferred over to the towing company when he failed to claim the vehicle after having been impounded for 103 days.